Hey, friend. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Oh my god, 12:28 na. Kagi yung SD card ko puno. Niluluto pa ako ng lunch and so hectic guys. My god, hindi ko na alam. Kasi yung pathfit na uniform, pathfit kasi next class namin. Mag-ping pong kami. Tapos, yung yung uniform ko, may number kasi binili ko sa Carousel. Tapos ngayon hindi ko matanggal. Natanggal ko na siya, like parts of it. Pero ngayon kasi wala na oras, hindi ko siya matanggal. So, ayun na. Naka-Adidas lang ako. Sabihin ko na lang kay ma'am na pinapagawa pa yung number. Ba't kasi kailangan may number ng bigyan? Anyway, so welcome back to another vlog. I'm so stressed. Ang dami namin kailangan ipasa this week. And hindi ko na alam. Ang tagal maluto ng rice. And I need to go. 12:30 na. Kailangan 1 nandun na ako. And yeah.
Tapos bigla ako matipig mo sa camera. Sa lens ko.
Guys, si Abby! Oh! Hi guys, so naulan ko. How's the path fit going?
I'm sweating.
Oh! Gel zero bro. Gel zero. Grabe talaga.
Welcome to my vlog. Ako na yung mag-take.
Bye guys!
It's my vlog now. Anong ginagawa natin? Nasabi mo lang kung anong ginagawa natin?
We're currently in path fit. Hi! Nagpa-path fit kami.
Yes. Alam nyo ba guys?
Naulan po.
Opo. Tapos ito guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi may magaling na ping pong player. Nakailang bola. Asan yung bola niya? Ayun o. Dalawa yun nasa swimming pool. Sa kanya po yan. Ano? Oh. Ayun na, kukunin niya po. Shoutout kay
Starry Rai. Sydney, Starry Rai.
Ito. Sino nawala ng bola? Ako. Dalawa. Ano to? Ako na magti-take over simula ngayon. Wala na si Gift, guys. I mean, ako na yung mag-vlog palagi. Okay guys, dito na si Ma'am Baba.
We're gonna play na po. Ayan guys. Ginagawa na namin lahat. Ayan, so nag-meeting kami. This is Ray branded.
Yes, follow me.
Medium.
What medium? Prismacolors colored pen.
Ay, we!
Actually, nag-start ako poster print. Kaso, nahihirapan ako. So, mas nagano ako sa card. Here's the final output. Oh, makitakpan pa.
Ay.
Guys, if gusto niyo matuto mag-drawing, there's a will. If there's a will, there's a way.
Yes.
Ano sinasabi ni Gift? Hey friends! It's confidential. This is UST work. Extreme confidential. De joke lang. Hindi naman. I think you guys should consider taking your education sa Wolverine. Ano ba? Consider study at UST yun. Nakuha ko rin. Consider studying at UST because UST is so fun. Kung anong kukunin nyo sa college, kung gusto nyo, huwag nyo kukunin yung sinabi lang or nakita mo nung siguro nagtatambay kayo magkakaibigan tapos sabi
Ako yan sa kaibigan, yung kaibigan ko nag-ano.
oo, ikaw yung mag-aaral, ikaw yung maghihirap, ikaw yung magka-climb up the ladder. Alam nyo ba guys, I failed architecture.
Anong yung field architecture?
Okay lang yan.
Pero pumasa ako interior design. Pero ayoko ng interior design.
Hi guys, so we're currently having our meeting for UTS. And
What's UTS? What's UTS?
Understanding the self. Kasi nasa-stress ang lahat because yung deadline Friday na. So wala pa kami nagagawa. What day is it today? It is Thursday.
We love it.
Guys, 99k na si Gift.
Follow.
Malapit na siya mag-100.
Guys,
Follow,
please
subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Click the notifications below. Bagay ba sa akin mag-vlog? Kasi I'm considering taking
concentration.
content creation for leisure lang.
Yes.
Puro mukha ko lang tong vlog na to guys. So kung nagsasawa kayo, sabihin nyo lang sa comment
Nagsama
section.
talaga kami, pre.
Guys, always be genuine. Always always be authentic to yourself. Okay? I think therefore I am.
Uy, kumanta ka na. 10 minutes na yan.
10 minutes na ba?
10 minutes talaga.
Wala pa, may 15 seconds pa. Calculated.
Excuse me. Yes po. Dito muna kayo.
Mag-meeting na kami, bye-bye! Sana na-enjoy niyo yung pag-take over ko sa vlog ni Gift. Comment kayo if nagustuhan niyo yung pag-vlog. Medyo boring akong tao pero okay lang.
Okay, so hi guys, welcome. I'm back home. I just got back from the gym and it's currently 5:30 and we're gonna have early dinner because I'm so hungry. Like, nag-ping pong kami the whole time. Good game. And then we're gonna cook now. Wala na naman akong tubig sa condo. Yung kabilang unit nagluluto ng adobo. Gusto ko tuloy mag-adobo, but I think we're gonna have adobo tomorrow evening. It's very, very rainy in España. Like, I kid you not even.
Ito po ang ating buhay. Wala na.
I have chicken, but gonna defrost it, so bukas na tayo mag-adobo. In the meantime, we're gonna be cooking noodles. Literally gonna pass out. Time check 6 a.m. I have to be at school by exactly 7. No grace period. You know what? Every Wednesday is the worst out of all schedules. 7 to 10, psychology. 10 to 1, Theo. 1 to 4, art history. Wala kaming lunch break na eh. Anyway, so whole day we have a 9-hour lecture. And today, lahat ng subject, may quiz, may test. Tapos yung first subject, walang grace period. Kasi usually may 15 minutes, 30 minutes na grace period. Ito wala. Anyway, we're all sick and tired. Halos everyone is on their way na to school. Nell is here na. Oh my god, tas kakagising ko lang. Shot muna. Gagi. 4 hours lang tulog ko. Well, 4 hours is a lot. The only milk that I drank is really just Bear Brand chocolate milk. I mean, if you could buy me the expensive chocolate milks, then go. But I don't drink white fresh milk. Whatever white milk that is, I don't drink. So I'm so sorry. I'm a chocolate girly. Hi guys. On the way to school. This is us before the exam.
Pero 60%. Ano? Before tas This is us after UTS. Hindi natin to. This is us before the Theo quiz. Yes, ma'am. Happy birthday! She is 20. She's 20. Hi guys, we're currently in the library. 10:53, 2016. 10:50. Kaso, ano ba yan? Ay, ito din yung Chinese painting.
This is us. Hindi natin na-film yung
This is us after the whole day.
vlog.
Pero ilang oras nga yun?
8 hours.
Painting mismo? Or
Kasi
kasama ng
8,
sketch?
9, 10, 11, 12.
Or kasama ng
1,
sketch?
2, 3. Kasama sketch, 1 hour ata yung sketch.
May sketch na ako, may sketch na.
8,
Bawas eh.
4 p.m. ako natapos.
Ah,
8 hours yung ginawa. Tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy mong gawin.
Hi guys, so I am home and tatapusin ko yung mga gagawin ko here sa bahay. I have so much things to do. But before anything else, something came in the mail. Ano kaya ito? OMG. Story time. For the past 2 weeks, super grabe yung daldal ko sa sarili ko and chika ko sa everyone na parang gusto ko ng Hirono. Kasi it's so cute. Tapos, but you know, it's not a necessity. So I'm not really the type of person to gasto in stuff na not necessary, like yung mga figurines, ganito, ganyan. Like, kasi alam ko naman in the long run, parang hindi na siya magagamit and whatsoever. Like, maganda lang siya sa start. Kaya hindi ako gumagasta ng mga ganun. But, recently, I really wanted a Hirono. And then, chika ko ng chika. And then, for Valentine's, si Ney ang nagpadala ng Hirone. May nagpadala po ng Hirono. Sino kaya? Sino pa ba? So yeah, binigyan niya ako ng Hirono, guys. Like, what the heck? Okay, natawagan ko siya ngayon. Sabi niya, like, parang, he's more excited than me.
Oh my God! Let's go! Okay na. But you will love it, Jen, boy!
Wait. Okay, anyway.
Ano?
OA. Nonchalant ba? Nonchalant. Eh.
Hey! You love it, Jen. I swear, you really like it. No, look at the card! Look at the...
I didn't look at the card, Lloyd. Wait, how do you do this? Okay. Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
Oh my god!
Good.
What the heck? This is the first and last. Don't buy na, and I won't buy too.
Look, I won't
It's
buy.
a success, everyone. It came.
Right now, I won't buy.
It came alive and well. Asa man
Yeah.
nakulibot ang
Probably.
Oh my god.
Damn!
Ang cute po. Ang cute po. Ito po yung Hirona. Hey friends! Sana umulan kasi magla-live drawing. Mag-drawing kami sa baba, sa labas ng building.
Pansit, ito mo.
Ano yan?
Pansit!
Ito na naman silang dalawa. Hey friends! Talaga. He made it rain. Let's go home. Thank you po. Sir. Pero thank you.
Best day ever!
Diba? Lagagi umura ako.
Kasi alam niya kasi masyado na tayong pinapahirapan.
True. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Hindi nakahalo to! Ano to? Ay!
11?
11. At 12.
13 na, 13.
Oh, wag mo lang iulit. Kulang. Where's the eraser?
13. 14.
No? 14. Nel, 14. 14 to ah. Oo nga. 14. Oh.
15 sunod, 15.
Wag mo muna unahan.
Hindi para alam.
Baka 16. Wait, 14. 14.
Ah!
15. Oh, 15. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Gagong ganda. 21. 21.
Lahat ng number may ano.
23. Mim. Sigaw, sipaw. 23. Pam, 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 pam. Tananang, pam. Asan?
Ay!
24.
Bibilang pa ka. O, tignan mo. Hindi ko din alam eh. Guys, anong huling number na rinig niyo?
Pwede ko 21. Yung 21.
Ayaw ka, ano? Hindi! Di,
25. Ah? Ang bilis nyo naman. Stapler ko na lang ba lahat?
Number na, ano yung number?
Okay lang ba si sir na staple? Yun nga eh. Bakit may staple si sir? Iba pa pala yung... Pangilan na tayo.
Wala mo video?
I will video. That's the purpose. We shall see. Bye.
So you need to have at least no a 3 at tapusin yung play.
Hey friends, that's it for this vlog. Super, hindi ko na alam anong gagawin ko sa life, guys. Like, oh my god. But okay lang. Kaya natin to. Hindi ko nga alam anong sense ng vlog na yun eh. But, it's okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Dapat na tayo mag 100k! Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and see you guys on the next video. Bye!